AFU artillery units at their firing positions, enemy's manpower and hardware. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In Kherson direction, a Vozdika self-propelled artillery unit of the AFU was destroyed during the counter-battery warfare. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 81 AFU artillery units at their firing positions, enemy's manpower and hardware in 157 areas during the day. The command posts of the 111th Territorial Defense Brigade and the 25th Airborne Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces were hit in the areas of Krasny Liman and Drobyshevo, Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 400 airplanes and 220 helicopters, 3,385 unmanned aerial vehicles, 411 air defense missile systems, 8,275 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,326 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 8,879 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Ці групи, вони розосереджені, як я сказав, їх сотні, тому насичуючи нашу систему протиповітряної оборони такими групами, ми піднімаємо їх ефективність. От у такий спосіб ми досягаємо.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.